Hey guys, I just saw this cat. I just knocked on the window and he just looked straight at me and just stared at me. Look at this kitty. Look at this kitty. Look at him. Hey kitty. He's just staring at me. But yeah, he just laid down. He just stretched a little. His friend just passed by. Another friend is right there. You probably could see him. Wait, if I just take this away, then you could see. Yeah. Well, that's another friend of his. Version. But another friend passed by. But hey kitty, do you like me on YouTube? You want me a YouTube star? To be honest, yeah, I just saw this cat. He was pretty cute. Kind of looks like my babysitter's cat. So yeah, this is a cat, as you can see. Oh, he just waved. You want to wave again? Just a little wave to the camera. Lift your hand up a little if you're glad I'm being on YouTube. Because you're going to be a YouTube star, maybe. Who knows? Oh, what happened? What happened there? What happened? What happened? Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. You want some fish? I got some... Oh, you are lifting your hand, so you're glad you're going to be on YouTube, huh? You just got there. Alright, give yourself a bath. He's like, why are you recording this? Well, you're going to be a YouTube star, yeah? This might be a little short video, but hey, at least you're going to be showing to the world. But, yeah, we have to go. We have to wrap it all for today. Okay? Alright, bye.